Makiaria hindi ya kwamukira uteithio wa irio kuma kuri gikundi kia andu a wendi mwega mihang'o ire tabaniirio muciini wa ciana wa Garden of Hope Ngong'u Kajiado ya Rugongo gicunji kia akuru gatagati-ini ka 80 aria mateithikite na uteithio uyu matetetio ni kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturire.
Turire thiku ici ni muru muno ni muru biu tondu twina mathina maingi muno tutirona kindu gia kuhe ciana twina mathina maingi muno makiria
na hinya tondu nacio ciana itire mawira riu ciana riu ona njikara na mwanake omwe na ndari wira ruta twira twa mwako hari onera riu njikaraga oro uguo no nganyokaga.
Akuru aya makiuga ihinda-ini riri matirahota gwikinyiria ona gia kuria kia oro muthenya.
Kariua kwina ng'aragu na tutiri wa gwika turi andu akuru tutiri na hinya na tutiri no hoti no thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu Ngai ni atwika maundu manene ni tuona kindu gia kuria na gia kunyu ni twacokia ngatho kuri andu aya kwi Ngai na inyuĩ inyuothe mukite ni undu waria mwatwika maundu mega na magegania thengio muno.
Ni haha bata wa kurumbuia akuru matura-ini uteterithitio na oho ritana ria kumakinyiria uteithio wa irio ni rikitio.
Ni kitu ya muhimu sana kushikilia watu wazee kwa jamii kwa sababu hawa ni akina mama, wengi ni wajane, wale hawana mtu wa kuwasaidia, na ndio maana yeye usikia these are our mothers, we need to give them support.
It's a lot of lack. Sometimes they are going without food, and we've been a blessing to them one day today, and we have given them enough to take them even for a week, and we know things will be okay very soon. For the last 20 years there was a time that we were feeding them on monthly basis, but because now even Kenyan economy, things are changing. When we have a donor who gives us, we give them monthly. When we don't have, we call them, they come to our shauri, then we cancel them, then we share a cup of porridge, they go home.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Ngong'u Kajiado ya Rugongo ngetwo Wacuka wa Kiarie.